Good morning. So I had an idea. I have very ripe nanners and I really wanted to try the banana bread matcha. Why not go deep into the bananas and make, well, this one wants to be used. So I'm going to make a banana bread matcha and then banana bread muffin. So here we go. One banana. This one is smushed. Banana goo. I should plan ahead and melt a tablespoon of coconut oil. 1 egg. As always, save these. My bag is growing. Egg nanner. That's probably way plenty. Sugar. Good. Oil. Tablespoon of milk. Hefty bad boy of flour, and I don't even have a measuring cup. And a little bitty baby. A 1/4 teaspoon. Close this so I don't spill it. Crush about a healthy portion of walnuts. And of course, chocolate chips. Eyeballs, that's about how much we have. Perfect. Okay, I got my sufficient mess, and there's the batter in all her glory. We will pour and see. And can't waste. Going to pop these into the oven for, I don't know.
Like this? You like coconut? No. I need assistance in the kitchen, please. Thanks, bud. I got somebody who's jealous.
You want to play with me? Oh, is somebody excited? Okay. Uh-oh. Our banana bread's at 5 minutes. Hold on, I gotta fix the banana bread real quick. Okay, 18 minutes and they're looking pretty good. But I'm so excited. Like any good weekend morning, we actually decided to hit the trail instead of dive into banana bread. And to be honest, I'm super thankful that my dogs got me in the car and on the trail.